Hello, welcome to the second part of the C# programming tutorial. In this video I am going to teach you about variables. So I'd be very happy if you liked it and subscribe to the channel. Let's move on to this video. In this video I'm coding using my mobile phone because I'm currently traveling. In this section I will introduce you to ladder variables, and in the next section I will teach you about numeric variables. Okay, in the first step we use the string command, then we put a space and write the name of the variable we want to use. For example, I will name my variable I. Then we put an equal sign and two double quotes and write our desired text inside the double quotes and put a semicolon at the end. Remember to put a semicolon at the end of each quote. Okay, let's go to the next line and use the console command dot write line and put the variable I that we defined inside the parentheses and then print the command. And now you see it printed for use. Thank you for watching the video. If you can like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.